I'm going to repair this tuba with my big steel balls, like this one and this one. And there's a bunch of small ones, steel balls, in this container. I bet you get the picture of what I'm about to do. That one's not going to come all the way out for sure without taking the bow brace off, so you do as best you can. There's it. Get a little furniture polish and drum head. I like to spray the drum head, lubricate it and spray the instrument where I'm going to pull the dent out. This is an earth magnet. Very powerful, and it can be dangerous if you don't know how to use it. Stuck to each other. There it is. Then we're going to stand it up. This. Start going like this. Look at that, coming out right before your eyes. Coming out better. You're always going to see that little mark though. Let's see if I can get it a little bit better. There we go. That's a little better. You can't go slow with this. You just got to do it, or it just makes the dents worse. There we go. One time when I lost my boat keys in the river, I used these rare earth magnets on a rope, and I found them in all the mud. 4 feet of water in mud. Amazing. Times we use 2 at a time. I'm pulling these dents out. Look, the magnets are doing that, pushing each other away. These are corks for water keys, like different sizes for the different water keys. You can see it getting soft, and then you stick a pin, take it out. That's plenty. That's all you need. Just a little bit of glue. loosen the finger button. Take that off. Felt out. Ugh. Put a new one in, like so. Finger button goes back on. Oh, look at that. The finger button just unscrewed without me having to put the pliers on. Isn't that nice? Is the old one? Ugh. See all the shit on it? Ugh. The cake. The cake.
Oh.
Ugh. Look at that. Ugh. Okay, here are the bottom valve caps. All three of them, right here. Put them on one at a time. Take them one at a time and drop them in. We take the pistons and we have to look what number they are, and usually they're numbered right on the top of the piston. Yeah, see it says 2 right there. And this is 1. And the way you test is by holding it up like you're going to play it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you just oil them up. Take a little valve oil. This is a tuning slide grease. So I like to just coat the slides. Look at that. I think it goes right here. Look at that. Works great. There we go. I'm worried about this weekend with my solo because I'm just getting over a really bad cold sore. When I was going to quit playing trumpet in 2008, after I finished my second CD, after I invented lip repair for myself, I didn't have to quit. I could at least cope. But I still get them, and I don't get them all the time now. I get them maybe a couple times a year. I have these new samples of our new product coming out for cold sores, and it's works a lot better. It's a lot stronger. It just seems to be nuking it. You know, it looks like this. And this video is sponsored by no one, by the way. It's sponsored by me. Just me. And only me. Man. See you later. Here is the bell to that tuba. Let's try it without the bell. I'm going to log this into the computer. This is Ames. It's really old. Say that? No, that's too far gone. It's all split.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I am.
Why don't you give it a try?
No, look, it's cracked here. But look, doesn't that look cool?